All right, let's see. What do we got? A 0.25, a quarter watt, 1,000 ohm resistor can be connected to what maximum voltage? So they do that. That's a particular rating. Quarter watts are actually pretty fat. Eighth watt or something like that are the little ones. And I don't know. They probably make them littler than that. So when you look at resistors, their size does not really belie their resistance is not belied by their size. Sometimes the size just is their ability to dissipate power. Okay, so power, let's see, what do we want? I think we want power is V squared over R. I feel like that's what we want. So 0.25 is equal to V squared over 1,000. Okay, so I'm going to go 0.25 times 1,000. And that's V squared, and then I have to square root it. And I get that V is 15.811 volts.